Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn off notes notifications for someone on Instagram with the latest update. If you've been getting constant notes alerts from a particular account and want to stop them without unfollowing or blocking, this quick guide will help you do just that. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account and ready to navigate. Next, head over to the profile of the person whose notes notifications you want to turn off. You can do this by searching their username or selecting them from your followers or following list. Once you're on their profile page, look just below their bio. You'll see the following button. Tap on it. This button not only shows that you're following them, but also gives you access to various notification settings. After tapping following, you'll notice a notifications icon at the top right corner of the screen. It looks like a small bell. Tap on this bell icon to open the notification preferences for that specific account. Here's the important part. In the notification options, find the toggle labeled Notes. This controls whether you receive notes notifications from this person. Simply toggle it off to stop getting those alerts. And that's it. You've successfully turned off notes notifications for that Instagram user. This means you'll no longer be disturbed by their notes, but you'll still be able to see their posts and stories as usual. This feature is perfect if you want to keep your Instagram experience peaceful without cutting ties completely. Remember, you can always go back and toggle notifications on again if you change your mind. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more tips and tricks to get the most out of Instagram. Stay connected, but on your own terms.